Yo, so it's your boy DMV Computer Man, and today, this video, I'm going to show you how to do something like this, which is create a nice sales ad for your brand or your business or whatever product you're trying to sell in less than 3 minutes in 7 easy, simple steps. Yo, so it's your boy DMV Computer Man, and today, this video, I'm going to show you how to do something like this, which is create a nice sales ad for your brand or your business or whatever product you're trying to sell in less than 3 minutes in 7 easy, simple steps, and you don't have to pay anybody to do it. Typically, when you go to like a graphic designer and you want something done in Photoshop and you ask them to create you a logo or ad or anything like that, it's about $50, right? And you pay for this every single time. Well, I'm gonna introduce you to an app that I use, right? It's called Canva. And you can download this on an Android phone or an iPhone. And you can also use this on a web browser, right? At canva.com, right? So the first step is go to canva.com. You can log in with your Gmail or create an account, and you can start saving and creating designs. So we're gonna do a quick template of a sales ad, like for my business or something, right? So you can go to Canva. We already got the website up. You're gonna type in sales ad. Alright, so now we just gonna scroll through, find a design that we like, something cool, could be, doesn't matter the shape or the size, because I'm gonna show you how to convert it into whatever you're gonna use it for on your Instagram or your social media, right? So I'm gonna go with a basic, something real simple that works for my products. So we're gonna go with this design, and they're selling furniture, but I sell computers, so we're gonna delete that. And now the second thing you want to do is, or the third thing you want to do after you set up your template is you want to have your pictures ready. So you want to have pictures ready to upload. So I got some pictures of some laptops already loaded into my computer. I'm gonna grab this picture, right? So now that we got the picture selected, we want to remove the background on this picture. So we're gonna go to edit images, and we're gonna use the background remover. When you hit that button, it takes the background away. You got a nice clean cut on your image of your product, and then now you just want to go in and change your text. So I think this is the HP Elite Book, and the model number is 840 G6 laptop. We can say it's 50% off, order now, and then drop my website down the bottom, right? Nice, clean, simple design. If you do want to get a little fancier with this, you can go back up to edit image. You can add some contrast, throw some filters, or something I like to do is play with the glow, right? You can go here, throw a glow on here, in like a nice bright white or something like that. Boost up the size of the glow. Take away some of the transparency and add a little more depth into the design. You can do something like that, play with the blur, or you can leave it the way it was, you know what I mean? Doesn't matter, but you can go around and play around with it, change the font, and you've just created a design, right? Now this design is saved into your templates. You can go in here and you can download it as a JPEG file, add it to your phone. Now you can post to Instagram. You can also hit the resize button right up here at the top of the screen. And you can do, if you want to put this on your Instagram story, copy and resize it, and it'll create another design that is, or the pixels or whatever the orientation is for Instagram. I'm gonna allow pop up, and now it has it in a story size, right? So you can do that as well. Now you can post this one on your story, and then you can post the other one as a post on your Instagram. And we've just done all of that in less than 3 to 5 minutes and saves $50. Where we would have went to a designer, they might have charged you $50 per design just to do the same thing and change the orientation. So you save a little money here, and now you also created a business, because now you can offer this service to your friends, your family, and other business owners who do not have the skill set to learn how to do this.